This is a stock update, the end of July 2023. It's just a few bikes to show you. Start off with this Triumph T100. It's a project bike. It's clean, but doesn't seem to be a lot of electrics on it. It doesn't have a title, but all these bikes have got Nova. So that's the first one. Over here we've got a Harley Davidson Ironhead. Doesn't have a title, but it has Nova. It's a good project bike. Another Harley Ironhead. This one runs. Also comes with a Nova. No title on it. Still a project bike, but this one's a Harley Davidson Shovelhead. Tidy bike all round. It's kickstart and electric. Has a title and a Nova. This one's Harley Davidson Sportster, 1200cc Evo engine. It runs. That's a good bike. Just needs a clean up. Here's another Triumph T100, more complete than the other one. Comes with a title. It's also quite clean. It has got a Japanese front end, I believe, but I'm not sure what type. This is a BSA A65. Turns over. It is a project. I've not had it running. I've turned it over by rocking it in gear because there's no kickstart on it. It comes with a rear A-frame there, which is loose. I've just put it there, and a set of pipes. This is a 2005 Harley Davidson Deuce. Good bike. I think it's at the right price. Just needs registering, MOT and register. It's another Harley Davidson Shovelhead. This one's just an electric start. Comes with title and Nova. Nice tidy bike all round. Just needs registration. And here we got two early 70s Triumph Tridents. Both similar in condition. Both come with titles and Novas. One of them runs. The other one I didn't get a spark, so I didn't get it running. And that's what we've got left.